for some more questions. Our boys in blue, Nigel and Mangalam, are at Wankhede and they have a huge crowd with them. So guys, what's the mood like?
I think
completely India. Are you cheering for India for sure? Whoa!
I'll tell you what, Sonia, the mood over here is fantastic. We got a couple of hours to go to the game and look at the crowd. We already have them. They're totally on fire. I'll tell you what, we were struggling to get over here. I think the markets as well are fairly volatile, but getting here as well is fairly volatile. But let's hear one cheer for India. Let's. I'll tell you what, let's get in the youngster here. He's really excited. He was saying that, we are definitely going to win. And we were talking about Virat. He was saying that maybe, in fact, he's looking on to see whether or not he can score. So let's hear. Who is Virat going to score today?
I want that Virat should score a century today.
And is India going to win?
Absolutely! Well, we also have someone who's probably seen Virat as well as Sachin and Kapil Dev, all of them big match winners for India. What do you think? Virat is better than Sachin?
I think they're on the same level, but Virat is a youngster, so we obviously expect him to perform and maybe outperform Sachin eventually.
All right, and what's your view?
My view is both of them are good. Sachin is good in tests and Virat is good in one days and T20s.
Well, you've got a poster as well. What does this say?
This is what Virat tweeted. We love him for that. It's unfair that we have all told Anushka, but we love him for that, okay? So don't get angry, Virat, please, okay?
All right, so clearly, Anuj, Sonia, all of you all in the studio, things are looking good over here. The excitement is really pumped on. And I'll tell you what, Mangalam is telling me, let's go and watch the ladies' game that's going on currently. But we need to wait a little longer. The Indian cricket team is going to be here shortly. We're going to be warming up. And I'm sure it's going to be an absolutely carnival atmosphere.
Mangalam, I tell you something. No, Mangalam, I tell you something. No shame in watching some of the women's matches. They've been spectacular. I must tell you that, some of the matches that we have seen in the women's